Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So we wanted to tell you about this cute little studio condo on the western end of Panama City Beach.
Yep.
Right over there by Lake Powell Bridge at Phillips Inlet.
Yes.
And it's a great value if you wanted to have a beach getaway. Heather, what were some of your favorite things about this property?
This little studio is perfect. It has an in-unit washer and dryer, which is almost unheard of. You've got plenty of space for your living spot, your kitchen, and the bed. And it's just so quaint and cozy. You could live there full time. It could be your quick beach getaway. It's really perfectly priced around that 130 range. You can't go wrong.
Super close to 30A.
Absolutely.
So you could
hop to 30A, hop to Panama City
Okay.
Beach, Pier Park.
Location is a great thing. So if that studio condo sounds like a deal to you, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And for more information, look at the description below, click the link, you get the photos, you get more details, all the things about this cute little studio.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring the bell. You don't want to miss out on any videos like this one.